Sir, by the way, may I ask a question? I want to go to Cordoba, Cebu City. Cordoba.
Here.
Yeah.
Then exit. Left turn.
So where? Here?
Cordoba, sir.
Actually, I only tourist here. I only vacation to Cordoba. Jadi, I'm Miss Pantalones, señorito. Buenos días. I'm Fernando.
Fernando.
Yeah.
Espanyol.
Yeah, I'm Miss Pantalones.
Pre.
So I want to go to Cordoba.
Cordoba area street. Oh. Yeah, straight sir, straight there.
And then
And exit. Turn to left, left. Where Cordoba?
by the way, I only vacationes.
Vacationist.
Yeah. By the way, I want to go to Cordoba, Cebu City. Where is the famous destination there?
Cordoba proper?
Yeah.
What do you want? Where you go in Cordoba?
By the way, I want to eat delicious food.
Okay, no
Pinoy.
problem. You go there. After you pay, you ask there the teller. You
Yeah.
pay there. You pay
How much is?
only 60. This one 60.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle 60, and then you ask there which.
What place in Cordoba there? The famous restaurant there?
No problem. You want delicious what kind of?
Pinoy food.
Pinoy, no problem. Thomas there. You go there and after you exit, you right turn. You have too much. You
Okay.
ask. They have traffic enforcer.
Okay, thank you so much,
Okay.
señorito. You're so very kind.
Okay.
Can I give you a sticker? By the way, I am a vlogger.
You vlogger.
Yeah, a sticker. Okay,
Sticker for what?
because you're so very kind. Okay,
Okay.
a sticker.
Sticker. Okay, go.
Yeah, thank you so much, señorito. What is your name?
Okay. Jigo.
Yeah,
Senyor.
yeah. Taga-asa rin mo day.
Oh.
Taga.
Wala gini. Kanan lagi sir.
Ga-vlog.
Kanan lagi na ako lagi. Kakatong na.
Boss, ga-vlog. Kaya follow ko mo siya.
Sige boss.
Napa. Oh.
Ay mo maminggilan. Pinag-dollar pa, na maki-dollar ya.
Di sticker lagi ako ni.
Di mo follow ni boy.
Boss, ipalo ko ah. Adi na. Okay mo ka?
Ano nga? Mangilan mo ka?
Busing, ato ko Cordoba ato na sa kumagilan.
Mangilan ko daw. Buwangan ni mo.
Boss, ano ka mo sa? Yes.
Orang sa Koreano na mo.
Murag.